Lesson 16. The Buddha. About one-fifth population of the world follow the teachings of the Buddha. He was born in 563 BC. The Buddha is not a name, it is a title. The meaning of Buddha is the Enlightened One. The Buddha's real name was Siddhartha. He was the son of a Sakya king in northern India. He and his family were all belonged to the Gautama clan. Gautama Siddhartha was brought up in luxury. He lived in his father's palace and saw nothing of the outside world until he was a young man. Then one day, accompanied by his charioteer Channa, Prince Siddhartha went round the city. On his way, he saw some sights that he had never seen before it. At first, he saw a man who was very old and was bent with age. Then he saw a man who was suffering from a terrible disease like leprosy. And then he saw a dead man who was being taken to the cremation ground. These sights made the prince very sad. He said to his charioteer Channa, "How can it be that Brahma would make a world and keep it miserable, since if all-powerful he lives it so, he is not good, and it is not powerful. He is not God. Channa, lead home again. It is enough. Mine eyes have seen enough." Now a complete change came in Gautama Siddhartha's life. He was filled with a longing to find the cause and cure of human sufferings. He wanted to find the true meaning of life and help his fellow men. Although he was married and had a baby son, he left his home at the age of 28 in search of truth. First of all, Gautama went to two Hindu priests. He wanted to know from them the cause of human sufferings, but the priests could not give him any satisfactory answers. Now Gautama tried to live the life of an ascetic. For 6 years he tortured himself so that he could become indifferent to any kind of pain. He was reduced to a merry skeleton, but eventually he realized that all this was foolish and useless. Now he sat in deep meditation under a peepal tree near Gaya in Bihar. Here at last he attained enlightenment and found the answers to his questions. After a repeated 49 days of meditation, at the age of 35, and became known as Buddha or Awakened One. Buddha came to know that the cause of all human suffering is desire. It is the desire to possess most of the things in the world. Strong attachment and love for one's kith and kin also cause suffering, and in order to overcome it, Buddha laid down what is known as the Astha Marga. They are the 8 ways, principles which can help a man to attain true happiness. They are right belief, right aims, right speech, right conduct, right occupation, right effort, right thinking, right meditation. He spent the rest of his life wandering from place to place. He lived a long life of 80 years. Wherever he went, he taught the people about his discoveries. He told them how they could get rid of their desires and sufferings. He preached to men of all castes who would listen to him. The Astha Marg preached by the Buddha is difficult to follow while living a normal life in one's family or among the common people of society. Therefore, many of Buddha's followers became monks and nuns.